ते दाखोवपाक लायता तुगे दाखोवपाक लायता गव्हर्मेंट लँड तुजो कोण इंजिनियर तुजो कोण हांव कोऑर्डिनेट करता सर हांव directions are once these roads are made perfect. How many days it will take?
Sir, within 10.
Take your time. I just not putting pressure on. I am prepared to give you time, but stick to your word.
Yes, sir.
How much it is going to rain?
Yes, then you can't.
We will put all safety signboards within 10 days, but whatever this road condition, we will take some time.
30th September, kitna tak?
Once inspect along with the Sarpanch, everybody, sir.
For Panchayat, industries is here. The Sarpanch is here. Jilla Panchayat, that person is also here. I had come here because some Maureen told me that today you come here, visit this area. I was supposed to go come to the college also. So I said yes, I will definitely come. So accordingly, we have decided that both the service roads, as the work is going on, shall be hot mixed by 30th September. Am I right? They have promised me that by 30th September, both the roads will be hot mixed. Unless there is continuously heavy rain and they are not able to start the plant. They are expected to start the plant by 20th or 24th, something like that. It will take them two days, maybe 2 days for doing the hot. Second, decided I have given direction to the PWD. Chief engineer also, I have told him that in Goa, wherever there is such bridge work starts, before starting the bridge work, service roads have to be perfect. I don't want any complaint from the commuters who use those roads. ते मागीर सगळे आमकांच मारतात मविना पडटल्यो म्हाका पडटल्यो गव्हर्मेंटाक पडटल्यो पूण आयकना आनी दॅट इज ट्रू न्ही आमी गाडी घेवन वता जाल्यार आमकांय बॉम्ब मारतलो तशें जावपाक जाय दॅट इज वन थर्ड इज सम डायवर्शन दे आर डुईंग वेर आय हॅव टोल्ड देम दॅट बाय 30th September you make those small roads for one way travel like 2-wheelers, 4-wheelers, not trucks, heavy trucks, only cars of the resident. I said make those roads perfect first. As Sarpanch, Jilla Panchayat chairperson, they have suggested they can take them also, and then inform the DYSP traffic saying that roads are perfect. We will inspect and then put up a report to me saying that roads are perfect. Then we will allow.
10 दिवसा भितर सायनेजी घालपाक लायल्या तुमी 10 दिवसां भितर सायनेजी घालपाक लायल्या
10 दिवसा भितर सायनेजीस घालपाक.
After inspection with this.
Also another thing from safety point of view, there have been 2 deaths here. रातचे लोक समजे भितर गेला ते मातशे ते सारखे करपाक जाय. Even the barricades have to be with proper lighting or that neon sign where you can see at night also radiant that the illumination should be there radiant.
सर
झालंय ओके
सर ते कमेंट दिली
माझ्या आणखी दिल्यामध्ये
No, but this is a very important junction. Many deaths have happened here, sir. How do you look at it? Because in the past they have made assurances and forgotten also.
You are yourself aware how many times I have come here, given similar type of instruction. I am happy that the Honorable PWD Minister, who is also ex-Chief Minister, Digambar Kamatji, has come here immediately. The moment I rang him, he agreed instantly to come. I said, you come and see the position. And I am happy he has given instructions wherein results are bound to be there by 30th September. My only additional thing is the barricades that are there at the side, make them little more foolproof so that people don't go inside. We know we had 2 very unfortunate deaths of very young people. आणि very clear instruction तेणे दिला असले काम हुई गोंयान चलता तेन्ना ब्रिजाचे आणि कितें सर्विस रोड पयले करपाचे. So those instructions also have gone. So provided it is implemented, I think something very good has happened after his visit. We will wait till 30th September to see how much
I will come
the
in
ground
between.
reality is there.
Somewhere on 24th, 25th, हांव तुका फोन मारून येता तकाय फोन मारता just to see your things are online करना I want to wait for 30th.
Sir, all over Goa, there are a lot of complaints about the.
अरे बाबा हांव अजून सारकें आज फर्स्ट डे वचपाचो हांव पणजे म्हाका येवचें पडलें हागेल्या हाका लागून हांगा येवचें पडलें. हांव आय एम नॉट रीच थँक यू
एक
I have to
रिपोर्ट
take proper briefing from the.
एक रिपोर्ट येऊ पाहिजे सर आज
So
तुम्ही सांगितलेलं
after
आहे.
tomorrow, I have not gone to Panji.
Bad roads, good roads,
Once
worst
they
roads.
go, I go to Panji. Then I will. They will intimate me.
पण आणि डायरेक्शन तुम्ही तिथले असे रोड्स बरे जाऊ
My priority is making roads the best.
सर एक गॅजेट आयिल्लो आसा की एमपीटीन ती गेट काडपाची म्हणटाय
म्हाका
सगळ्या
आतां हेका बरोबर सगळ्यांनी
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.